Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to add tags in Asana. So you can see there are multiple projects open here, and now let's get to the topic. So finally you can see this is the my task option. Just click here. Now you will click on the customize option. So under the customize option you can see tag option is available. Just on it. So after switch on the tags, now you can see we will click on this button tags. So now you can also change the position of tags. I am putting these tag option on last column. So after this, just you can type the name of tag you want to add here. Like I am typing tag 1. Just click on add button. You can also add multiple tags here. Like I am typing another random name. So you can see these two tags have been added. So in this way you can simply add tags in Asana.